x power log x. Log y is equal to log x into log x. 1 by y divided by dx is equal to log x derivative log x into u derivative 1 by x, again log x into 1 by x. dy by dx is equal to y means x power log x into 2 log x by x. X power log x minus 1 into 2 log x. Two log x is 0, log x is 0, x is 1. In the given question, you can substitute y of 1. 1 power log 1. 1 power 0, how much? 1. Which option? For 9th question, second option. Understand? Do it. Excuse me. Abhishek, switch off your video. Abhishek Habhi, switch off your video. Excuse me. If you keep your profile pic, it is easy to identify for us now. Tomorrow not just keep a profile pic. Complete. Can I move to the next question, everyone? Now please call to Hema DP and ask her to update the Zoom app. Okay, writing some of them. It's okay, Pallavi, you can. Good evening, Monisha. Hey, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Completed. Why I kept a background, virtual background? I can keep my photo better. Yeah, Jay Kiran, you can record. Just to raise your hand, Jay Kiran. I can admit you. Jay can please raise your hand, then I can give permission. Yeah, bring one spoon. Yes. Yes, no. I am in class, Anita. Yeah, Jay Kiran. Still students are coming, but even though I am Aniket, for you also, na? Okay, I'll allow. Pallavi, complete, ma? So I'll explain once again, see? So thank you. You don't go anywhere, stay here. See, I used log on both sides. Whenever I use log on both sides, log x into log x derivative 1 by x, log x derivative 1 by x. X power log x into the y cross multiply, y means x power log x, 2 log x by x. This x power 1 transfer numerator, x power log x minus 1, 2 log x equal to 0. Log x is 0, x is 1. This x is 1, substitute in given question. What we got? One answer. Understand? My beside neighbors, They are twins. Their birthday today. Just now they given a cake. The too cool cake. I need to eat, otherwise it will go on. Don't mind, huh? Jacob, are you recording? Good. Next question. I can zoom it. The app name only Zoom. Why Zoom is not possible? It's 100% possible. Question number 10. Copy question number 10, everyone. Question number 10. The minimum value of x log x is. The minimum value of x log x is. The minimum value of x log x is. X log x. I can start explanation, everyone. X log x. Y is equal to, let us x log x. dy by dx is equal to f of x. X into log x to 1 by x plus log x into x to 1. X cancel 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x equal to 0. Log x is minus 1. X equal to e power minus 1. Log transfer right hand side e. X equal to 1 by e. In the given question, substitute 1 by e. Then what you will get? 1 by e into log 1 by e. What is the answer? One by e into log e power minus 1. Minus 1 will come this side. Minus 1 by e into log e. What is log e value? 1 now. Minus 1 by e is answer. Which option? Minus 1 by e, fourth option. And none, no. Fourth option is there now. Minus 1 by e is there, fourth option. Correct? Huh? Everyone? Completed. Can I move to the next one? Strawberry. Good. Can I move to the next question, everyone? I already started 2 questions completed. Do fast. Next one. Still students are coming. What is this? I don't know. This 9th or 10th, compulsory one question will come. Very, 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 very important. Okay. Don't forget those questions. Next question. Sin x into 1 plus cos x is the maximum. When x is that is sin x into sin of x into 1 plus sin x into 1 plus cos x. Okay. I can consider f of x is equal to sin x into 1 plus cos x. What is f dash of x? U is v. Sin x into 1 plus cos x divided to minus sin x plus 1 plus cos x into sin x divided to cos x minus sin square x plus cos x plus cos square x. F dash of x you need to equate to 0. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. No. You can convert in terms of cos this also. Sin square x you write 1 minus cos square x plus cos x plus cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x plus cos x plus cos square x. Cos square x plus cos square x. 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 1. It is f dash of x. This f dash of x equal to 0. 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 equal to 0. We need to solve this equation. How to solve this equation? Anyone is aware? Cos square x plus cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Yeah, factorization method, correct. We should ask you doubt.
Sir, otherwise we can write 2 cos square x minus 1 as cos 2x, no sir.
2 cos square x. No. If you write cos 2x, we won't get the answer. That is why I'm asking. That's why I'm
Cos
telling.
2x plus cos x, we can apply cos a plus cos b formula.
Which cos 2x plus cos x? Like that also possible. Then direct like that, because here only you can write cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. Cos c plus cos d formula. You can do like that also. Correct. That is a good idea. We can go still more shortcut. Don't write. Stop writing. Initially, I also thought cos 2x, but I thought again complicated. But now these many steps came. Now that is only better. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x no plus cos x equal to 0. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x by 2, cos 2x minus x by 2 is equal to 0. Cos x by 2 equal to 0, cos x equal to 0, x equal to n pi, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. X equal to n plus 1 into pi, that means pi. Another one is cos 3x by 2 is 0, 3x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, 2 to cancel. You will get x is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3. Okay. Substitute in given question. Sin pi 0, not possible. Sin pi by 3 into 1 plus cos pi by 3. I think you will get some value. They are asking minimum or maximum? Minimum. So pi is the answer. Which option? 1 second. Pi by 3 given. Pi by 3 given. Maximum they asked. Pi by 3 correct. Minimum pi, maximum pi by 3. First you write up to here and after that I'll explain. We got two values. What is that value? One is pi. Another is pi by 3. These two values we need to substitute in question. I did derivative UE formula. Sin x into 1 derivative to 0, cos x derivative to minus sin x. 1 plus cos x into sin x derivative to cos x. Nidanavagi multiply ಮಾಡಿದೆ. sin x into sin x minus sin square x, cos x into 1 cos x, cos x into cos x, cos square x. After that, cos square x minus sin square x, cos 2x plus cos x. We have formula in trigonometry. Which formula? Cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Correct? That formula used. Trigonometric equation parakara 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2 cancel. N is pi. Here n is pi by 3. Non-veg ಅಲ್ಲ veg ಐತೆ. ತಿನ್ನು. Can I move to the next question? Continue question. Understood, Amma? Someone asked to repeat the question. Understood? I think everyone is following. Everyone? Yes. Please, once who are the students already enrolled for CET mock test? Just raise your hand, Amma. Boys and girls who already enrolled and paid, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Two n plus 1 you can ignore, man. Multiple, no, that is. One second, be there. I'll take the photo. Already, because I need to cross check. Everyone, please, who given names? Who given names? That Oppo A37 few means what? Purnima, okay. That's it. So many names came. They're absent. Okay, ma, down. Down. Given question f of x is equal to sin x into 1 plus cos x. F of pi, sin pi means 0. F of pi by 3, sin pi by 3 into 1 plus cos pi by 3. Sin pi by 3, sin 60, 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2. It is greater than 0. Which is more? This is more now. At x equal to pi by 3, it is maximum. So whatever values we got, x values, pi and 2 pi by 3, we are substituting in given question. Which is more values? Which is more? That is our answer. Understand? Do it fast, everyone. Uren ishtu doddke kotrama. Nodi. There is lots of doubt. There is lots of doubt. Nothing. Complete. Yes. Can I move to the next question, everyone? Yes. The nearest point on the curve y square equal to 4x to 2 comma 1 is 1 comma 2 ante. Nearest point on the curve y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 comma 1 में somewhere ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ nearest ಇರೋದು 1 comma 2 ಅಂತೆ. Just reverse. ಅದೇನು proof ಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, don't worry. 2y is 4. Zero is so far, no? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So if you draw diagram for this, y square equal to 4x graph. 2 comma 1 में somewhere ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. 0 ದೂರ ಇದೆ. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? 1 comma 2 ತಗೋತಾನೆ. 0 ತುಂಬಾ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, like that. 2 comma 2 ಅಂತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 comma 1 ಇನ್ನು ದೂರ ಇದೆ. 0 comma 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So 1 comma 2 only correct. Okay. Little common sense use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. The maximum value of a y is equal to a cos x minus 1 by 3. I don't know why that question they given in this. No maximum, no minimum that question. Now, 13th one. If the maximum value of y is equal to a cos x minus 1 by 3 cos 3x occurs when x equal to pi by 6, then the value of a, they only given it is maximum at x is equal to pi by 6. We need to find the value of a. Maximum at x is equal to pi by 6. What is the maximum value? Do first derivative equal to 0. You will get one equation. I understood. Y equal to a cos x minus 1 by 3 cos 3x. Y equal to a cos x minus 1 by 3 cos 3x. What is the point they give? What is the value they given x equal to pi by 6? Maybe in evening time you have some internet issues, correct? ಪಾಪ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು. dy by dx a cos x minus a sin x cos 3x minus 3 sin 3x 3 cancel minus or minus plus equal to 0. Now in place of x substitute pi by 6. 0 is equal to minus a sin pi by 6 sin 30 1 by 2. Anvita, sin 3x 3 pi by 6 means pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 1. Minus a by 2 plus 1 is 0. A by 2 is 1. A is 2. Second option correct, Tane? That's it. It's a difficult one, huh? Nothing, no? Do first derivative in place of x substitute pi by 6. Where, sir, how you got 1 anta? You can ask question. I can say to you. Sin 3 into pi by 6. Sin 91 now. Here pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30 1 by 2. I substituted. Understand? I said you go sit in home. Don't go anywhere. You sit here on inside. Don't go anywhere. Finished? Can I move to the next question? You can take this one. I want some water, Anita. Understood? This type of question maybe we can expect. No, I am in class after that. Never. First you take this one, bring some water, then we'll see. Minimum distance from the point 4, 2 to the parabola y square equal to 8x is. Y square equal to 8x is. Hey, 14th question, sorry. X power 1 by x. X greater than 0. This is important. Star mark. F of x is equal to Thank you, Anvita, my dear daughter. Thanks for your water. Anyone, can you try? I'll give hint first. I'll give only 1 minute, you can try. Take log on both sides. Log on both sides. Take log on both sides. No, I have some work with that. You cannot take my mobile. I repeated, don't touch my phones. Log x power 1 by x. F of x is equal to 1 by x into log x. F dash of x is equal to UV formula. 1 by x into 1 by x plus log x into minus 1 by x square. I need to take log now here. Then 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So f dash of x is equal to log x whole power 1 by x 1 minus log x by x square. X square I taken LCM. Then 1 minus log x equal to 0. Log x is 1. X is e power 1. That means e. F of e log e power 1 by e. 1 by e log e. Log e means 1 now. 1 by e is the answer. But what is their question first? Maximum value at x equal to e, then. Now they only given x equal to e. E power 1 by e. I didn't say question. I'm finding the x value, but they are asking not that question. Once again. Okay, you write. Maybe if they this question also 14, I'll explain. You can complete. You can write like once again. Hey, what the hell you are doing? I'm taking the class here. Go somewhere and do your work. 14th B. Let us assume and write this question first. I'll explain that question. Someone raise hand. I will unmute. Nitya, tell me, ma. Monisha, you also tell me, ma.
So f of x is x.
F of x is x power 1 by x.
Not log
You
x
wrote
power.
log x power 1 by x.
That's not an issue because anyway,
Fourth
if you did,
step.
no problem. Here I understood. But anyway, it will go to that side. No, it becomes 0. Nothing will happen. Okay. Okay. It will transfer to left hand side. No, 0 by anything 0. So only this term we are taking. That's it. Okay. That's not reflect our question. Actually, this type of question also will ask, and they will ask what is the maximum at x equal to e. Maximum value is 1 by e. Okay. But they given question different. That also we'll discuss. You can write this question as 14B. That means 14th one, another question. because they'll ask this
Okay,
question
sir.
also, this model also. Very important. Vishrut,
Okay,
Vishrut,
sir.
tell
Thank
me,
you, sir.
Vishrut. Yeah, sure. It's okay, Manisha.
Sir,
Vishrut,
then
tell me.
given, f of x equal to x power 1 by x.
Yeah, I wrote.
Then f of e equal to e power 1 by e, no, sir?
Correct, no? Again. The last answer also wrong, no? Correct. E power 1 by e. ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರುವಾಗ e power 1 by e ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 second now okay e power 1 by e correct but this question they given differently, so they only given, no, this is not 14th question. Now we'll come back to 14th question, that is 14b we did. F of x is x power 1 by x. They only given x equal to e. Even in the previous we did x equal to e we got. Then what they're asking, e power pi greater than pi power e power pi less than pi power e power pi equal to pi power e. This is not possible at all. E value is different, pi value is different, whole power 4 not possible. Actually you need to remember this, no other option. E power pi is greater than pi power e. What is e value approximately? Vishrut, approximately what is e value? .73. Pi value is between 2 to 3, 2.5, let us say 2.7. Pi value 3.14. Okay. 2.7 whole power 3.14 is greater than 3.14 greater than 2.7. Very difficult to identify. But you need to remember, no other. But equal and not possible. That's what we know. Less equal not possible. This also failed. These two failed. Only out of these two, one is correct. So we need to calculate approximate value. At least you have idea. 3 square 9 or 2 cube 8. But this is 2.7 is there. That means around 10 you will get. This is only 9.5 like that you will get. So this is the only correct. First option correct. Approximate value we need to consider. That's it. Okay. Understand what I am saying? Sudhinda, tell me.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
slow,
ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ?
Slow. Solution not there. Slow. Solution not there. According to answer options only we need to go now. That's why I explained 14b another solution. Okay.
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್?
100%. Oh, because they are not asking any maximum minimum value now here in this question. But they can ask question, find the maximum value at what it is maximum. That's why I explained that answer extra. Okay.
Okay.
15th one. Anvita, Ma came. The minimum distance from the phone patrakada. The minimum distance from the point 4, 2 to the parabola y square equal to 8x. The minimum distance from the point 4, to the parabola y square equal to 8x. Y square equal to 8x graph also like this. minimum distance, we need to find the minimum distance now. 4 comma 2, 2 comma 4, let us assume root of 4 minus 2, 2 square 4, 4 root 4, 2 root 2. Yes, super shortcut I am explaining now. See everyone, y square equal to 8x graph, let us assume here. What is the point they given? First point 4 comma 2. What is the minimum point distance? Point 2 comma 4 now. Already I said the shortcut now. Distance, you find distance formula, you know, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, root of 4 minus 2, 2 square plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole square plus root 8. Root 8 means what? 2 root 2 now. Which option? Second option. So before I said one shortcut, 2 comma 1 is nearest point is 1 comma 2. Similarly, for 4 comma 2 nearest point is 2 comma 4. 4 comma 2, 2 comma 4 distance I am finding. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? Bhavana K, please inform to Bhavana K to update the Zoom app. Please inform to Bhavana K to update the Zoom app. Dear students. Yes, Bhavana, tell me, ma. Bhavana. Bhavana, tell me. Nearest point 4 comma 2, nearest point 2 comma 4. It's a shortcut you need to remember. They're asking minimum distance, no? Those 2 point distances we need to find. 3 comma 1 means 1 comma 3. It is a shortcut, Amma. So we cannot ask sometimes for shortcuts. Yes, always it will be opposite numbers. You don't go to elaborate the shortcuts, okay? They won't ask maximum distance. Minimum points means how maximum distance is possible. 2 points hatra iddaga maximum distance barta, minimum distance barta. Artha agta idya? Telugu hogide. Where I went? You do this question first. I can give to you. Try anyone. ID mock test. It's going on ready, amma. Papa ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎರರ್ ಬಂದಿದಂತೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ ಎರರ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು they are waiting for what? No, I don't want any food. I full stomach full. Switch on fan. Amma, get CET go. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ. I went through actually first. Nothing is there. Don't download. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವರು ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು ಏನ್ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಜನರಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ so you are trying for new questions. No, don't go for new questions for CET. They won't give that much. First thing ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, whatever previous question paper in Google you will get it. No, at least one 2018 or 17 ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒಂದು, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು, ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಒಂದು 60 minutes ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? CET ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆದ್ ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು, ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, one second can be in line. I will at least display one of the question paper today. At least you are aware that how the level of question. Now only one second, within a second. Two 2008 question paper maths ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನೋಡೋಣ how it is easy ಅಂತ. Be online everyone, once again. Anyone is using Apple? Yes, students, anyone is using Apple? Sorry, it's not coming. I don't know what happened. We'll go to the class. We downloaded, but it is not showing where it is. The download and where it will save generally in 24 one something. I don't know where it was saved. Okay, what is X4X answer? In files only I was checked actually, but it is not showing. Yeah, someone send. You have question paper type, no? Correct. Namge mail madite better. I can show to you in this one. Here. I'm using Apple, no? My phone, I'm not using. Just one, at least chapter. One nimsha. Yeah, I got it. See, I'll show to you, my dear students. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ perfect idea ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You can get the perfect idea how the things will come, how the question paper it should be. Now, which chapter we are doing? Yan Kannada English please. Rose theorem is not applicable in which of the following? What is the answer? Now this model we discussed or not? Now modulus code, this is the answer. Second option. Correct now? Third option. Sorry, third option. The interval range of the function is increasing. Decreasing modula. So first one ಮಾಡಬಹುದು find dy by x. The sides of no problem everyone. Can I continue this? Just yeah, sure, Pratik. No problem for everyone. Okay. See, this is 2019 question paper. The value of root of 24.99. That means it is approximation. Approximation question. Approximation they given. Approximation question they given. Hello.
ಹಲೋ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಹೌದು.
ಇದು
Out of this, Actually, tomorrow topic is this only for us, my dear students. Tomorrow's topic is this linear inequalities. This is statistics. Yenilla ivella add ಮಾಡಿ equal to 1 ಮಾಡಿ, you will get the k value. Understand? Idu fourth one, the sides of a triangle are increasing at the rate of 4 centimeters. Idu rate measure. Rate measure. Correct. P of A, P of B given, P of A given B 0.5, P of A dash given B. This is a probability chapter. ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಟು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬಿಲಿಟಿನೇ. ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 ಪ್ರಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ 1 2 3 4 5. You be the university A and B are the it is sets chapter. Domain of the function. This is 2019 question paper I am discussing. The function f mass f of x equal root of x square minus 7x plus 12. Just I am showing, we will discuss later. Cos x equal modulus of sin x. Idella Kannada and didn't get it. The general solution. Idu multiply and divide with 2. Numerator and denominator. This is mathematical induction. You know, start shuru madilla. Foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point. This is straight line. Acute angle between the plane. This is a directly formula. Acute angle cos theta. Distance of the point 1, 2 from the line. XY plane divide the line joining the points A of 2, 3, minus 5 and B of minus 1, minus 2, 3 in the ratio. Idu 3D geometry. Level of questions ನೋಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟಫ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Shaded region, linear inequalities concept. Order of the differential equation now. Order of the differential equation now. The angle between unit vector, vectors. ಇದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಸುಮಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 27th ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ. 28th ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಪಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. 0 to 2 step x square. Root of 1 plus x plus x equal to cos theta ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತುಗಳು ಏನಿದು ಮತ್ತು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಅದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. I can move to the next step. Alpha beta are the roots of the equation. I think yesterday morning I discussed. Yes or no? ಈ question. Alpha square plus beta square. Alpha is omega square plus omega square whole square. Omega square plus omega power 4. Omega power 4 means omega. 1 plus omega square is minus 1. D option. We discussed or not? Minus 1. 1 plus omega square is 0. Omega plus omega square is minus 1. The number of 4-digit number without repetition that we will discuss in permutation combinations. The number of terms in the expansion of binomial theorem. Third term of GP is 9. Product of first 5 terms. Very simple. Third term of GP. AR square is equal to 9. Product of first 5 terms. AR square, AR cube, AR power 4. A power 5 into R power 10. Okay. Just power 5 madi. A power 5 into 9 power 5. Which option? 9 power 5 is same as 3 power 10. C option. Within 30 seconds. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ 30 seconds ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 90% ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Understand? Within 15-20 seconds you are solving some of the questions. A line cuts off equal intercepts in the coordinate axis the angle made by the line x-axis. Equal intercepts x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. A and b both are same like that. Integration x cube sin 3x uv formula. The area of the region about the x-axis include between the parabola. Mahalakshmi, The area of region bounded by the curve y equal to cos x, y equal to sin x. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. Which of that is area region bounded by the curve? Application of integration we discussed already. Sin x or cos x. When sin x and cos x is same, x is equal to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 sin x minus cos x. You will get the answer. All parents phone చేశారు. The integrating factor of the differential equations. The equation of the curve passing through the point 1 comes such that the slope of the tangent at the point, this question. Slope of tangent at any point x, is equal to product of its coordinates. Eccentricity of the ellipse. Negation of the statement. Mathematical reasoning, my dear students. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Mean standard deviation, statistics. 2 letters of the equations. ಇದು probability. Constant term in the expansion matrices. Step x step in the greatest integer function x minus step x minus cos x, then f dash of pi by 2. Possible. Continuity question now. F of x equals sin was 2 power x plus 1. Not mathematical reasoning. Hey, this is mathematical reasoning, amma. This is mathematical reasoning question. The negation of the statement, all continuous functions. That is mathematical reasoning. Okay. 40, I didn't say mathematical reasoning. Equation of the curve, how mathematical reasoning possible? That is slope of tangent they given. No, I said 43rd question. Mean and standard deviation. Parents 50 or 4. Fine light. 2 letters of the equations. Constant term in the expansion. Matrices. Inverse of the matrix. So P and Q symmetric. So ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವೋ ಅದರಿಂದಾನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 5 to 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ 2019 ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ 46 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾನೇನ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ? 46 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ.